Before you come to the 3D station in the STEM Innovation Lab, let's give you a little bit of an orientation around the space. When you first get there, you'll notice that there are going to be several printers as well as some computers there and some nice size monitors. Know that obviously you can come there with your files all ready to print, or you can certainly use the workstations that are there and large monitors to be able to build your designs and send them to the printers right after you finish them. The computers are going to be connected and able to be sending those jobs right to your printer, so let's take a look at how that printer is going to work. Once you move into the printer area, you'll find that the anatomy of most printers is pretty similar. You'll see that most of your 3D printers are going to have some type of superstructure protecting the print job while the job is printing. And then as we begin to zoom in or examine a little closer, what we'll also see is that there is a filament feeding tube. That tube ensures that the filament will continue to flow into the extruder and actually feed into what is called the hot tip of the printer itself correctly. So you'll notice there that that filament is inside of that tube. Now, if we begin to look at the underside of the actual print head, you'll also notice that there is something that's called the hot tip. That hot tip is what heats up to somewhere around 200 degrees, and that is 200 degrees Celsius. And that really ranges depending upon the type of filament that you're using with your 3D printer. Now, if we take a look down below that print head, probably the most important thing about the printer is the actual print bed. The adhesion of the print job to that print bed is the most important element of the 3D printer, because if the job itself releases prematurely from that particular print bed, what will happen is the print job will fail. And so we want to make sure that we are continually making sure that it's clean and ensuring that there is a proper amount of adhesion to it.